What's going on, guys? I'm gonna show you guys the coolest TV wall mount in the world. It's a product called HangSmart. Hangs up to a 100-inch TV or 150 pounds. You don't need any handyman. You can save money and you can do it in just 3 minutes or even under that if you're quicker. So this is HangSmart. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. This little box can hang up to a 100-inch TV or 150 pounds. When you open your box, you get your color-coded ruler and all of the products that are in the box. All right, guys, now that you have opened your box, I'm gonna show you what's inside. This is the coolest part of HangSmart TV. You have a color-coded ruler. What this ruler does is it allows you to easily find the screw holes in the back of your TV. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna put that in. We're gonna see that our screw holes are light pink and light pink. You're gonna find your TV screws that match the back of your TV included in your box. You're gonna find your TV hooks that are included in the back of your TV. You're gonna hook those onto the back of your TV. Now we're ready to hang our HangSmart mounts, our actual HangSmart TV mounts included in the box, onto the wall so we can put our TV on there. So you take your ruler, you remember your color code. Our color code was light pink for this TV. We put our hooks on the back of the TV. You're gonna take the ruler, you're gonna put it on the wall. Super simple. You're going to figure out exactly how high you want your TV from the ground, so you're gonna make sure it's nice and level. Then you take your HangSmart TV mount and you put it right there, covering those holes. The holes are already pre-made for you. You're gonna take this, you're gonna take your hand, you're gonna take the nail, you're gonna stick the nail in, you're gonna take your hammer, and you're just going to hammer it in lightly. Here's where the level comes into play. Now that you have the first one in, you wanna make sure that it's absolutely level and stretched out. We're gonna put it on the next one right here. Take your hammer again, nail it in. Now you have your two hooks on the wall, but we gotta nail in the rest of the nails so that they're nice and secure. All right, guys, so here's where the magic happens. Now that you have your hooks on the back of your TV, very simple. With a couple nails, we put it on the wall. We're gonna take the TV. If it's a big TV, we recommend you get somebody to help you. There you go. The TV is on the wall in under 3 minutes. I didn't need a handyman. I am no handyman. I have two left hands, to be honest. I don't even know how to use a hammer. But I used myself in this video to show you guys how easy it is to hang any size TV up to 100 inches, any flat screen on the wall very simply. Guys, you can do this at home. It's a DIY project. Pick up a HangSmart box today. You won't be disappointed.